Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 5 to power x minus 2. This is equal to 50. So what is the value of x? Now solution, we have 5 to power x minus 2. This is equal to 50. Alright, now 5 to power x minus 2, this is actually in the form of 8 to power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to power n divided by 8 to power m. Okay, so applying this indices identity, 5 to power x minus 2 can be expressed as 5 to power x divided by 5 to power 2, which is equal to 50. Okay, and now given that 50 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So let's cross multiply here. We will have 5 to power x. This is equal to 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50. We'll have 5 to power x. This is equal to 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50. Now, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. As first, we'll have log 5 to power x. This is equal to log 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50. Now, log 5 to power x, this is actually in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Okay. Now, this is the power rule property of logarithm. Now, applying this property, log 5 to power x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50. Okay, we divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. Okay, so that now to determine the value of x, we simplify here. Okay, let's simplify. We'll have log 5 and log 5 simplifies so that x is equal to log. This is 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50 divided by log 5. Alright, now log 5 to power, that is log 5 to power 2 multiplied by 50. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Okay, now applying this property, we'll have x as log 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 50 divided by log 5. Okay, now from what we have here, we can express 50. 50 can be expressed as 25 multiplied by 2. Okay, of which we can express 25 again as 5 to power 2. Okay, so that means that 50 is the same thing as 5 to power 2 multiplied by 2. So let's substitute where we have 50 with 5 to power 2 multiplied by 2, so that we'll have x is equal to, now we have the first part, which is log 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus, now log 50 will have log 5 to power 2 multiplied by 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, so that we'll have x is equal to, now this is log 5 to power 2 divided by log 5. Okay, plus, now log 5 to power 2 times 2, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express in this. You can apply this property so that we'll have log 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, let's proceed. Therefore, x is equal to, now log 5 to power 2, applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5. Okay, plus the same thing here, log 5 to power 2. This is 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus, now we have log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies. So that now we'll have the value of x as, this is now 2 plus 2, okay, plus, now log 2 divided by log 5. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which is essentially expressed as log a to base b. Now let's apply this property quickly so that we'll have, this is 2 plus 2, which is 4, plus, now we'll have log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Okay, let's verify quickly. Now, if you recall, we end that 5 to power x, subtract 2. This should give us a value of 50. Okay, which we simplify this further to 5 to power x divided by 5 to power 2. This is equal to 50. So let's substitute the value of x. Let's substitute the value of x so that we'll have 5 to power 4 plus log 2 to base 5 divided by 5 squared. This is 25. This should give us a value of 50. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have 5 to power 4 plus log 2 to base 5 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 50. So let's check if it stays true. So 5 to power 4 plus log 2 to base 5. This is actually in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. So applying this identity, this is the same thing as 5 to power 4 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 50. Okay, now 5 to power 4, 5 to power 4, this is the same thing as 25 multiplied by 25. Okay, now this is the same thing as 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 50. Okay, now 5 to power log 2 to base 5, 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This is actually in the form of m to power log a to base m, which should give us a value of a. So that means that 5 log 2 to base 5 should give us a value of 2. Okay, so let's substitute 5 to power log 2 to base 5 with these two. So now we'll have 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by these 2 divided by 25. This should give us a value of 50. Okay, so if we simplify here by 25, then we'll have 25 times 2, which is actually equal to 50. And that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, and that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to 4 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So follow the steps to understand. That affirms that the value of x, which is 4 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps to understand better. And if it is your first time to come across my videos, kindly like this video and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.